guys, I'm back again with another quick install here for a 2015 Scion XB. Today we're going to install the interior door handle cup lights that you get from AoonuAuto. If you look here, I've got mine customized with Scion on there. They come with a little harness. They come with two-sided tape to stick to the back of your door handle, and then a little plug at the end. Now, you may not have that kind of plug when you go to install these, but if you go on eBay, or actually Amazon, you can get these 2-pin connectors here. These are a JST type connector 2.0. So you can get these where these will actually plug directly into this, and you connect this to your wiring to your car. Okay, so basically, once you get your door cup out of your door handle, this will just attach to your door cup like this. Now, I drilled a little hole in the back of mine, as you can see here, for the wire to come through, so that when it's installed, it just looks seamless. So it does not adhere to any of the wiring outside of the vehicle. So we're going to put this down for right now. What I've already done is, all of this is because I've got stereo stuff built into the car. But what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to get some 16 gauge wire. You're going to get one of the connectors that I was mentioning, like right here. You're going to connect this to your 16 gauge wire. This will plug into your door cup illumination light. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to run this through your door, down in through the door boot down here into the car. Now, I've already got, as you can see, kick panel lighting and things like that, so those are all rigged into the fuse box that will show when the door is opened and when the door is closed, they go off. So what I did was I ran the wiring from inside the door into the car, up around the top of the glove box, and then down, and I connected into the wiring for my flooring light here. So that's all synced together. When you open a door, it comes on, your door cup light will come on. When you shut the door, everything will turn off altogether. So now that I've showed you exactly where you connect it, now you can connect it to anywhere you'd like. You need a 12-volt power source and a good ground, but I suggest you either hook it up to a switch or hook it up to the dimmer circuit of your vehicle, because otherwise it's going to stay on all the time, and you may or may not want that. There's several 12-volt constant powers with ignition wires, but I would go the route of doing it through your dome light so it lasts longer, and then also it turns on and off by itself. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to reassemble everything and show you. So first thing we're going to start with is we're going to start with our kick panel piece. It goes down around your junction block. Just like so. You got a little nut. The nut goes on the bottom like that. Once you get that done, you're going to put your little kick panel piece back on here. That's going to fit over just like so. Pop it back on. So now we're all clean here. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your door panel on. So once you get your door panel, you're going to make sure that you take your wiring light and you stick it through, just say that hole there. Then once you get that done, you're going to take your other wiring, put it up on the door. You're going to hook up your door lock and your door handle wiring here. This is the biggest pain in the rear right here to do this, but it's something you got to do when you're doing this. So let's see if I can get this hooked up real quick there. The top one for the handle. And let's see here. And well, let's see here. Something's off. So pull that out and that out. Let's go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so we're going to continue. We've got our door panel snapped back in, our door handle connected, our lower lock connected. We're going to put our tweeter back in. So you just go in there and you simple plug in and get down into place. Snaps on. Real simple. Next, you're going to want to put your window switch back in. So you've got 2 plugs. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you do have 1 screw in the top of the door panel here, 1 screw behind the door handle here. Make sure you get those back in. Plug your window switch and door lock switch back in. This will go down into place, like so. Now that's all back in. You're going to get your door cup. What you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to plug it in. Then you can run your wiring into the door like so. This is just so that it's all behind the door. And I could have shortened this wire a little bit, but it's okay, just as long as you have a way to disconnect it. There you go. Stick that all in. Make sure you're not connecting anything, and this will actually snap into place like so. All right, now we're going to shut the door. Go ahead and shut your door. Okay. All right, so now you see you've got your, well, look at my finger, you got your door cup light here installed. And once the car dome lights go off, then this will actually go off. Just so. Now, as soon as you open the door, everything lights back up. Close the door, give it a couple seconds to run through its timer. And as soon as it times out, all the lights will dim out like they're supposed to, as it just did. All right, well, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. Another mod by a fabulous company, and expect it to last a long time. Pretty neat. Anything you can add to your car for a little bit more flair is kind of cool. So, like I said, good job on the product. And if you have any questions, just contact me. Thanks so much.